Dear students, next chapter is coordinate geometry. Now coordinate, already you know what is coordinate. Coordinate is the value of x and value of y in a Cartesian plane. If you write together, then it is the coordinate. Okay, the value of x is called the abscissa and the value of y is called the ordinate, and together it is called the coordinate. Okay, now in a Cartesian plane you can put the say this is a point, this is another point. Okay, now if you have to find the distance between from A to B, the distance between 2 points, then you have to use some formulas. That formula is called the distance formula. Okay, now see how can you find the distance between 2 points. See this diagram. Here this one is the Cartesian plane. Here one point is P, another point is Q. Okay, now you have to find the distance from P to Q. The coordinate of P, it is given x1 and y1. Coordinate of Q, it is given x2 and y2. Okay, now distance between P and Q, how can you find out? For that, this is the distance formula. Okay, the distance of PQ is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, now how can you find it? ये formula कैसे निकला? See, these 2 points are taken. Now if you draw the perpendicular line on the OX, that is perpendicular line is PR and another perpendicular line is QS. Okay, you draw it. After that, what you have to find out? You have to find out, now see, again you have to draw a parallel line. This is the parallel line to OX. Clear? And you have to join this, what? PQ. Now see, here it is formed a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Okay, now PQ, how can you find it? By Pythagoras theorem, because this is a right angle triangle, so you can use the Pythagoras theorem. For that you need the distance PT and another distance QT. So how can you find the distance of PT? You see, this distance is OR and OS is equal to PT, because these two are parallel line, and PR and TS also parallel line. So the distance of PT and the distance of RS is similar. So if you find the distance of RS, then you can find the distance of PT. What is the distance of RS? OR. The value of OR is x1. Clear? Value of OS is x2. Value of RS is OS minus OR. That means x2 minus x1. So you can find the value of RS, which is equal to PT. That means the value of PT is x2 minus x1. Okay. Now you need the value of QT. Now see, PR equal to y1, because this is the y-axis, is it? So QR equal to y1. So obviously TS also equal to y1, is it? Because TS and PR is same. And SQ equal to y2. So QT equal to QS minus QT. What is QS? QS is y2 and QT equal to y1. That means from here you have to subtract this one, y1. y1 subtract karo. which one is y1? This part is y1. Okay. So if you subtract from this line, then you can find this distance. So you find qt is equal to y2 minus y1. Okay. Now using the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle PTQ, PQ square equal to PT square plus QT square. If you put the value, then you can find the PQ is equal to root over x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this formula is called the distance formula. Okay. Now see this one. The distance of a point PXY from the origin is given by, from the origin, the value of a point, this formula is OP equal to root over x square plus y square, because another coordinate is 0. If you put 0 here or here, only 1 is left. Is not it? Only one coordinate value you can find out, and at that case the formula will be root over x square plus y square. So these two formulas are the distance formula. Now see one example. I am showing you how can you find the distance between 2 points. See this one. Do the points this and this form a triangle? Is this a triangle? If so, name the type of triangle formed. Okay. Now see. This is a triangle. If you take the triangle, how can you take it? Say this is a triangle. Okay. Say PQR is a triangle. The 3 coordinate is given. One is given 3, 2. Another is given minus 2, 3. Minus 2, minus 3. Another is given 2, 3. So, if you have to check which type of triangle this is. If the 3 sides are different, measurement of 3 sides are different, then it is an scalene triangle. If 2 sides are equal, then it is an isosceles triangle. If 3 sides are equal, then it is an equilateral triangle. Okay. For that, you have to find the distance of 3 sides. Now, if you find the distance of PQ, okay, then what is the formula? Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. From this to anyone you can take as x1, y1 and x2, y2. You can take this one as x1, y1. You can take this one also x1 and y1. Taking the values, you have to put the formula in the formula. So, see this one. PQ, root over x2 minus x1. After calculation, you can find these values. You see PQ, the distance is, it is find out root over 50. No need to find this one. Okay. Up to this, you can, if you find, it is okay. QR, kitna nikla? Root over 552. PR कितना निकला? root over 2. So all the sides are different measurements. So it is an scalene triangle. Okay. And see. Now see. Another one. Show that the points these are the vertices of a square. If the points are in a square, then the square all the sides are equal. So you have to show it. First of all, you have to find the measurement of all sides. Like that, you take 4 points. Okay. So using the distance formula, you can find the value of AB 34, BC 34, root over 34. See, all are same. And another criteria property of square is the diagonals are equal. So you have to find the distance of the diagonal also. That means AC equal to 68, BD equal to 68. You see, these four sides are equal and diagonals also equal, okay? So this is obviously a square, okay? So whenever you do the sums, no, roughly draw the diagram. You give the point. Write the coordinate, okay? Clear? If you write the coordinate, it is easy to calculate. Then you have to see the diagonal also. This is a diagonal, this one is another diagonal. So you have to find the value of AB, that means distance of AB, distance of BC, CD and DA. Also you have to find the distance of BD and AC, taking the coordinate. Wherever you find the BD, you have to take the coordinate of this one and this one. For AC, this one and this one. Okay. So like that you can find the distance of a line segment in a Cartesian plane. Okay.